San Antonio has taught me a lot about how to create work, but also how to share it and create it for the community. My name's Kaldric Dow. I'm a visual artist and I created the Eastside Heirlooms. The concept of heirloom was to celebrate history, but also think about the future and have something that Eastside residents could appreciate and relate to. The mural is comprised of a lot of different elements. So there's the black and white images that are focusing on activism from the 60s and 70s with the imagery, the leather jackets to the afros, but also like the role that women played in the civil rights era of doing like the educational programs, the free food programs. Secondary to that is the color images from the Ebony and Jet magazines, which you still see afros, hair products, seasoned salt. You see all of these things from the culture. Then there's the two portraits on the end. R.A. Callis, who started the MLK March. There's also Myra Hemmings, that was a big educator in San Antonio that the community wanted to honor on a mural as well. Then there's also the water pattern that's under the bridge for the San Antonio River that separated the east side from the rest of the city, which was primarily where African Americans were. On the outside of all of the heirlooms, there's the street names. Commerce Street being a lot of cultural and social aspects happening there, to Chestnut Street, which had the first black settlement. All of those streets play a pivotal role in how the East Side was set up. I grew up in Houston, but I didn't get into creativity or creating art until I moved to San Antonio. A lot of my work focuses on skin tone because I feel like brown skin is beautiful and it's not appreciated enough. And as artists, what we do is we just point at something and say, look at this. In the beginning, first series, Black on Black series, was all acrylic paint, and that was a focus on skin tone. Second series I created was a fabric series, and I would take fabric and stretch it over canvas and paint portraits on top of those. And then my latest series is the collage series, and that's me pulling patterned paper from out of these books with patterns from different cultures and time periods and creating portraits from them. If I have a superpower that I'm able to highlight skin tone and something great about the culture, I'm able to show us in a different light. I feel like I'm contributing to the positivity of representation, putting artwork up in galleries and on public walls. I've done a lot of different exhibitions, and I've had people see my work and walk past, and I've had people stop and come to tears at them. I want people to like really connect with the piece, but also stay long enough to witness all of the pattern work and all of the small details that went into it.